The time when they thought about Vanda was outside of school hours, at noon time when they were coming back to school, and in the morning early before school began. When groups of two or three or even more would be talking and laughing in their way to schoolyard. Then sometimes they waited for Vanda to have fun with her. See, whenever Vanda was sitting in her seat, after that time nobody was thinking about her. Nobody was even looking at her, nobody was even talking to her, okay, in class. But the time when they were thinking and talking to Vanda was the morning and evening time, okay, early in the morning when the students were coming to school, or in the evening when the school students were going back, okay. And they were always waiting for Vanda, when Vanda will come out of her class, or when Vanda would come near school in the morning, so that they can have fun with her. Have fun with her doesn't mean they were just having fun like friends, they were actually making fun of Vanda, okay. The next day, Tuesday, Vanda was not in school either, and nobody noticed her absence again. As we read in the first part of the chapter, that on Monday she was absent, okay, on Tuesday also she was absent, and again nobody noticed Vanda. Clear? But on Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie, who sat down front with other children who got good marks and who didn't track in the whole lot of mud, did notice that Vanda wasn't there. On Monday and Tuesday, nobody noticed Vanda's absence. But on Wednesday, two girls, Peggy and Maddie, noticed that Vanda was absent. Okay, why they noticed today Vanda was absent? Let's read. Peggy was the most popular girl in school. She was pretty and she had many pretty dresses and her hair was curly. Okay, now we are going to read about Peggy and Maddie, and you have to keep these two things in mind, because this will help in write about the character sketch of Peggy and Maddie. Peggy was the most popular girl of school. She was very beautiful. She had curly hair. She was very intelligent also. And Maddie was her best friend, closest friend. The reason Peggy and Maddie noticed Vanda's absence was because Vanda had made them late to school. Okay, why today on Wednesday they noticed Vanda's absence? Because today they got late just because of Vanda. Okay, they had waited and Vanda didn't come actually. Okay, they waited for Vanda to have some fun in her, but she just hadn't come. They often waited for Vanda Petronsky to have fun with her. Okay, so why today Peggy and Maddie noticed Vanda's absent? Because today they were waiting for Vanda to make fun of her, but Vanda was absent again. So they came in class and saw here and there that Vanda was not there in the class too. Vanda, most of the girl in room 13 didn't have names like that. They had names easy to say like Thomas, Smith and Alan. There was boy called Bounce, Willie Bounce, and people thought it was funny, but not as funny as Vanda Petronsky. So why they were making fun of her? Because Vanda had a funny name. She had a strange name. Because in their class they all have short names and we can say popular names, but Vanda had a strange name.